Well, I'm doing some more inverter testing this morning, and right now I have my electric oven heating up. I've got it set to 350 degrees. Uh, the inverter cooling fan cycles off and on. As you can see, the load reading on the one battery is 1,480 watts output, 117 amps. The amperage stays the same, but the wattage you would have to multiply because these are four 12-volt batteries hooked in series to create my 48-volt battery bank. So you'd be looking at approximately 6,000 watts because I have my furnace turned on as well. It's a natural gas furnace, but when the blower cycles on, you obviously have a heavy load as well. So, but the cooling fans are cycling normal, and I did some initial testing yesterday. I had an alarm going off on the inverter. I had to look into it a little bit more, and what it was the low battery voltage alarm I had set close to 49 volts, and because I am still running on the temporary setup, I only have one set of 4-gauge cables coming into the inverter for testing right now. And so there is a voltage drop measurable. I'm pulling 117, 120 amps through those cables right now. They're approximately 8 feet long. And the measured voltage drop from the inverter to the battery bank is 0.6 volts right now. Like I said, this is just initial testing to see if the inverter can carry the load. And right now, once again, the cooling fans are powered on. The oven was preheating, and the load had kicked up to approximately 6,000 watts again. So everything seems to be working good so far, and the inverter is reaching full output, even with the limitations on the input cables. I lowered the low voltage alarm down to 46 this morning to not have that trigger so early while I was doing this initial load testing. But the battery bank itself is being pretty much tested to its max, as well as the inverter right now, with no issues. I did look at the connections. None of the connections are heating up so far. So just a quick video today to follow up on this VEVOR inverter testing. So far, this low frequency inverter seems to be excellent. I did measure the idle current yesterday, and I was actually surprised for a low frequency inverter. It's only drawing about 48 watts with no load connected to the inverter, which is quite good for a low frequency inverter. All right, thanks a lot. Have a good day.